Cod is an important seafood caught mainly in the cold waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic. Cod fishing is usually done by fishing lines, purse seines, and trawls. Of these, trawling, also known as grab nets, is the most common method. Fishing boats use large trawls to sweep through areas of sea rich in cod, then harvest the fish into the ship's hold. In addition, cod fishing is also a popular form, especially for small-scale fishermen. They often use natural baits such as squid and shrimp to attract cod and catch them one by one. Cod fishing requires specialized skills and equipment, as well as attention to regulations to protect aquatic resources to ensure the sustainability of this fishery. In addition to the above methods, another technique used is purse seine fishing. This method is common in large-scale cod fishing operations, especially in coastal areas. Purse nets are deployed in large areas of the sea, encircling and covering a group of cod, which are then pulled back for harvesting. This method requires a team of skilled fishermen working together and supported by large vessels. A key issue in cod fishing is ensuring the sustainability of the resource. Due to high demand and overfishing, some countries and organizations have introduced strict regulations on catch quotas and seasons to protect cod populations. Fishermen must comply with these regulations to avoid overfishing and help maintain the stability of the fishery in the future. In addition to quotas and seasons, the use of modern technology also plays an important role in managing and monitoring cod fishing. Global Positioning Systems, GPS, vessel tracking devices, and underwater sensors help fishermen pinpoint the location of schools of cod and track the number of fish caught. This not only helps to optimize fishing efficiency but also ensures compliance with regulations on protecting marine resources. In addition, research and development of environmentally friendly fishing methods are also increasingly focused on. Some organizations and businesses are testing new types of nets and fishing equipment, aiming to minimize negative impacts on other marine life, protect the environment and maintain biodiversity. These efforts not only ensure long-term fishery resources but also help fishermen maintain stable livelihoods in the context of climate change and changes in marine ecosystems. In short, cod fishing is not only an important industry but also requires a close combination of techniques. Technology and sustainable management to ensure that these fishery resources are protected and developed in the long term. Another important factor in cod fishing is cooperation between countries and international organizations. Because cod migrate through the waters of many different countries, the management and protection of this fishery requires close coordination between coastal states and marine resource management agencies. Organizations such as the North Atlantic Fisheries Management Commission, NAFO, and the Arctic Fisheries Management Council, NAMCO, have been established to monitor and regulate quotas and sustainable fishing methods. In addition to efforts to protect the resource, ensuring the welfare of fishermen is also important. Fishing communities, especially those fishing for cod in remote areas, are vulnerable to fishing policies and changes in the natural environment. Therefore, programs that support fishermen, provide training and new technologies, and maintain stable market values for cod, will help make the fishery more sustainable. Ultimately, while cod fishing is economically viable, maintaining a balance between exploitation and conservation is key to ensuring the long-term survival of the species. Sustainability strategies need to be comprehensive. From developing environmentally friendly fishing methods to raising public awareness of the importance of protecting marine resources in the future. With the acceleration of climate change, the marine environment will change rapidly, directly affecting cod populations. Warming sea temperatures and extreme weather events can alter cod migration routes and numbers. This requires fishing management strategies to be flexible and based on up-to-date scientific research. Monitoring changes in the marine environment, and adjusting fishing regulations in a timely manner will help protect this resource from overexploitation. Advanced technology will continue to play an important role in minimizing the impact of fishing on marine ecosystems. Research in marine ecology and the development of advanced fishing technologies, such as less destructive nets and precision harvesting equipment, will help fishermen minimize negative impacts on fish and other marine life. These measures not only help to maintain the sustainability of the cod industry but also contribute to the protection of global marine ecosystems. In addition, developing appropriate methods of processing and consuming cod is also an important factor in ensuring the sustainable development of this industry. Processed cod products. Such as cod fillets, dried cod or salted cod, have become popular foods in many countries. Increasing the value of cod products will create new economic opportunities for fishermen and businesses in the supply chain, while reducing pressure on resources. In short, cod fishing is a global industry and requires coordination between countries, fishing communities, international organizations and scientists. Only when all parties work together to protect and manage marine resources sustainably can cod continue to be a valuable fishery resource for future generations. Another important factor in protecting and maintaining the sustainability of the cod fishery is the development of science-based fishing management models. Studies on the biology and behavior of cod will provide accurate information on their reproductive characteristics, life cycles and factors affecting their development. This information helps management agencies establish reasonable and effective fishing regulations, such as determining the minimum size of fish that can be caught, to ensure that juvenile cod individuals are protected, contributing to the long-term maintenance of resources. In addition, the application of measures to protect the marine environment, such as reducing pollution and protecting natural cod spawning areas, also plays an important role in maintaining this fish population. Environmental protection organizations and governments of coastal countries need to work closely to implement strategies to protect marine ecosystems, ensuring that fishing activities do not harm the habitat of cod and other aquatic species. In addition, raising public awareness of the importance of protecting marine resources is equally important. Public awareness and education campaigns on responsible seafood consumption will help consumers choose sustainably caught cod products, thereby promoting the development of responsible seafood markets. Finally, to ensure the sustainable development of the cod fishing industry, countries need to have long-term and effective cooperation in research, monitoring and management of marine resources. International agreements on cod management and protection, together with the involvement of fishing communities and businesses, will help create a cod industry that is not only economically viable but also protects this precious resource for future generations. Innovation and green technology are also essential to achieving sustainable cod fishing. Advanced technologies such as satellite monitoring and artificial intelligence, AI, can help monitor cod population health and environmental factors. Allowing for better decisions about when and where to fish. These technologies not only save fishermen time and money, but also protect sensitive areas from overexploitation. Collaboration across sectors in the seafood supply chain can also create effective solutions. Researchers, fishermen, environmental organizations and regulators can work together to develop new fishing methods that have a lower impact on marine ecosystems. Initiatives such as sustainability certification for cod products, where consumers can choose products that come from responsibly caught fish, would be an important step in promoting responsible fishing practices. Another aspect is reducing the impact of fishing on non-target marine species. The use of new nets that cause less injury to fish and other marine species. Helping to prevent bycatch or accidental capture is one of the important solutions to protect biodiversity in the marine environment. At the same time, optimizing the handling of fish after capture also helps to protect product quality and prevent waste. In short, the cod fishery of the future will require a close combination of science, technology, sustainable management, and international cooperation. These efforts not only help protect precious marine resources, but also promote the strong and sustainable development of the seafood industry in the long term. ensuring economic benefits for future generations of fishermen, while protecting the marine ecosystem for future generations. In the context of climate change and fluctuations in the marine environment, the cod fishing industry also needs to adapt to new factors. Fishers need to be flexible, and apply appropriate fishing methods to cope with changes in fish populations and marine conditions. For example, when sea temperatures increase or currents change, cod may move to different sea areas, requiring fishermen to seek new fishing areas or change fishing methods to maintain production. Furthermore, the cod fishing industry also needs to focus on developing circular economic models, where marine resources are used efficiently and waste is minimized. One example is the full utilization of cod products, from fish meat to byproducts such as bones and scales. These products can be processed into value-added products such as pet food, cosmetics or medical products, optimizing the value of cod and minimizing the environmental impact. In the research field, scientific projects on cod breeds and breeding methods can also be a long-term solution to ensure the sustainability of cod supplies. The development of artificial cod farms would reduce the pressure on wild stocks and create a stable supply for the market. However, the development of cod aquaculture needs to be carried out carefully, ensuring that there is no negative impact on natural ecosystems and avoiding problems related to the introduction of wild species. Finally, changing consumer habits and raising public awareness of the importance of sustainable seafood consumption are key. Consumers can contribute to the sustainability of the cod industry by choosing products that are certified sustainable or that are produced and